Hello, my name is Helen and this is my toy for Design 254. It is a helicopter toy that I had named Rescue Chopper, and this is how it works. So you push the sound here. It also lights up here. There's two holes, and you can spin the propeller by hand in the back, just for fun. So what I have here in the componentry is, it is mainly 3D printed. The propeller is 3D printed and painted. The wheels are from a toy, and the only other component from a toy was the electronics on the inside. This was laser cutted acrylic, and I have inside componentry that makes it move, which is I have two pulleys on the inside, one O-ring, and there is a 90-degree bevel gears, two of them inside, that are attached to a pole, which so when the wheels turn, the propeller will spin as well. So this is my toy. I guess that's it. So here's my toy in the dark, so you can see the electronic lights and hear the sound.